You know, I mentioned this, I admit it, very suspicious parallel between many worlds, and you pointed out immediately the difference and this in our symbolic universe superpositions. This may happen, that may happen. But this is my restraint, not that the theory is too crazy. My God, I'm a Hegelian. The more crazy it is, the more we like it. But I have another problem. But this different, for example, 99%, that this happens 1%, okay, and we have both. But do these two, or I don't know how many, infinite universes somehow interact, or it's just totally different lines? This is, as a philosopher, maybe it's a wrong instinct. I would be obsessed with some interaction, you know. Like to say, it's very primitive what I will say. I in advance apologize myself. To say, yes, we live in this 99%, but somehow to understand it, you have to read it against the background of the shitty 1%, which that's what I don't find in many worlds. Or I don't know enough about it. How would you react to this?
The short answer is the different worlds will not interact. This is something which Everett, when he first wrote down the ideas in the 1950s, he was not clear on. He didn't have quite the technology that we have, the intellectual technology we have. But this is exactly what decoherence gets you. Since the 70s and 80s, when we understand decoherence better, it's not just that you are allowed to think about different parts of the wave function as separate worlds, but it's literally the right way to think about them. They don't interact, they won't interact going forward because they've decohered from each other. And there's a technical exposition about that involving states in the environment being perpendicular to each other. There's a small footnote there because if you wait really long, if you wait 10 to the 100 years, then all of the worlds will in some sense blur back together into one big world. The youth of our universe is a crucial feature in allowing these different worlds to be separate. But even though Hollywood would like it to be otherwise, in the real world, the separate many world branches are completely non-interacting with each other.